We expect to depart on schedule at 9:25 a.m. And our flight time to Singapore is 3 hours and 5 minutes. We will
Vloggers. Ano ba yun?
Wala na. Kanina ko pa yung nakikita pero kasi hindi talaga ako. Here's the toilet and shower. Hi guys, I'm now here at M Social Singapore. This is where I'm gonna stay for the next 2 days, and then I'll transfer to a different hotel when I extend my stay here in Singapore. So now I need to change because we have like a big pizza party in the office. So tara, let's fix this kasi grabe, fresh from the airport pa ako at wala pa akong tulog from last night. So yeah, you need to fix this, you know. Bye. I like your outfit. Nice fit. So sophisticated. Hi guys. No, I'm vlogging. Good evening. Nako. Halika. Anong feeling na ikakasal na?
Oh, there's one lighting.
Guys, lakad. Na tayo. Panic mode. Ayaw ko maiwan. Let's go, let's go. Okay, we're now walking to Orchard. Kasi pabanta kami ng Orchard Hotel. Oh my God. Ihina siya. What are you buying, guys?
Fried rice.
Let's see what's in here. Got pasta, quinoa. Ooh, meron silang onigiri. Salmon, grilled salmon onigiri. Tartar. Oh, it's hot. I got Nagi onigiri.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Sorry?
Yes. Oh, thank you.
There's a food for you too.
All right, thank you. Hi, Ina. Okay na ba to? We're going inside.
Pangan ng lights.
Oo nga eh. Kasama kami sa Hi guys.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. Welcome to the guys. It's a silent vlog though. Ginaya kita.
Hindi naman nag-upload.
Okay, we're ready. Yan. With the boots, that's the fit. Pwede tayo, pero susunduin pa nila tayo sa lobby. Let me see your fit.
Fit check.
Fit check. Sobrang haba. Sana hindi ka madapa dyan. Ay, hindi dumilim. Hi! We're finally here!
Mabasa-basa.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the after party. Give it up for DJ Jeremy Moon.
Hi! Excuse me! Excuse me! Ang ganda mo naman! Ang ganda!
Ibang level kasi yung smart effects natin sa ulo.
Oo, ayun. Anto ko na ako.
Hindi pa tapos.
Alam mo,
Thank you.
Door is closing.
And that's the shot. Yan na girl, let's go! Okay. Nasaan na ba yung dalawa? Ay. Andito, andito. Andito. Wow. Meron yan. Ayun, meron ako namoy. Para mabango tong, twinkling. It's a video for the vlog. Walking, going to Lau Pa Sat to meet my PI team. Ay, grabe. Bought a lot today. We're now outside to get some breakfast. We're eating here. This hawker stand. They don't look like they have coffee. Okay, so parang wala kasi dun yung gusto kong breakfast and yung soft-boiled egg with coffee. So I'll be moving to a different area. Sana may makita ako. Masarap. Dito tayo since mag-fair price din naman tayo. That's what I want. Okay, wait. So, hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko today. It's raining so hard. Anyway, I'm going here in Fair Price. Come with me. It's raining so hard. Ayoko na. Punta pa akong Urchar to buy shoes for the husband and my sister. It's raining so bad. Let me see your fits. Yes, ang dami niyong pinamili. Okay, hihiwalay na ako sa kanila. Kasi hanggang Tuesday pa kayo, no? Okay, I am on my way to Adidas, but it's still raining. Look. Oh, it's not so bad. Where do I go? Adidas na ba yun? Hindi ako sure. Adidas ba yan? Oh my God, di ko alam. I'm not sure if this is it, but it seems like nakarating na ako. This is Adidas. Bakit ako nakapayong pa? Wait, hold on.